Imagine the sun as a giant flashlight, the moon as a tiny ball, and Earth as your playground. Now picture this. You're in a game of cosmic hide-and-seek, and the moon is the hider. It sneaks between you and the flashlight. Suddenly, everything gets a bit darker. This is what we call a solar eclipse. The moon, in its stealthy game of hide-and-seek, blocks some or all of the sun's light from reaching our playground, the Earth. This casts a shadow on Earth, giving us a brief moment of twilight in the middle of the day. It's a pretty cool phenomenon, isn't it? But there's a catch. This game doesn't happen all the time. It usually happens during a new moon, when the side of the moon that's in shadow faces us. So keep an eye out during the new moon. You never know when the sun and moon might be playing their game of hide-and-seek. Sometimes the moon lines up just right with the sun and Earth, like the perfect hiding spot. We call this a total solar eclipse. During these special moments, the sun disappears completely for a few minutes, kind of like a grand magic trick in the sky. But how does this happen? Well, it's all about location and shape. The moon is pretty close to Earth, closer than you might think. And its path around us isn't a perfect circle, but more of an oval. This combination allows the moon at certain times to completely cover the sun, turning day into night. But there's more to this spectacle. As the moon blocks the sun, it unveils an amazing sight. The sun's outer layer, or corona, bursts into view, creating a breathtaking halo of light around the moon. Now it's Earth's turn to play hide-and-seek. Just like in our game, there are times when Earth positions itself between the sun and the moon, blocking sunlight from reaching our lunar friend. This cosmic event is what we call a lunar eclipse. But here's where it gets interesting. Unlike in a solar eclipse where the sun disappears, during a lunar eclipse, the moon doesn't vanish into thin air. Instead, it takes on a fascinating reddish hue, earning it the nickname, the blood moon. Why does it turn red, you ask? It's all thanks to Earth's atmosphere. As sunlight passes through it, the light bends and scatters, leaving behind longer red wavelengths. This red light then illuminates the moon, creating that eerie yet captivating blood moon we see. Remember though, for a lunar eclipse to occur, the sun, Earth, and moon must align in a specific way. And just like our game of hide-and-seek, there are different versions. There are total, partial, and penumbral lunar eclipses. Each has its own unique charm and occurrence. So, keep your eyes on the skies for these fascinating cosmic events. These awesome games of hide-and-seek have fascinated people for centuries. Our space detectives, also known as astronomers, use powerful tools like telescopes to study the moon, sun, and beyond. Some astronomers specialize in studying planets, and we call them planetary astronomers, while others who focus on the sun are called solar astronomers. Now here's something mind-blowing for you. The Kepler Space Telescope, one of our best detectives, has helped us find thousands of planets outside our solar system. Amazing, right? There's a new detective joining the cosmic team, the James Webb Space Telescope. This isn't your ordinary telescope. It's a gigantic, super powerful space eye, capable of peering deeper into the universe than we've ever seen before. It can spot objects so faint and distant, they're like whispers in the dark. With this new tool, we're bound to uncover secrets about our universe that we can't even imagine yet. So even though we've cracked the case of solar and lunar eclipses, there's still so much to discover.